getting all these great stars to work together in an all-star game. I guess when Larry Bird does that, it doesn't matter.
Well, the hard part, most guys do that, except for one guy, one of my teammates when I was playing, Tommy Heinsohn.
There, the ball knocked away. Isaiah gets the pass for Larry Bird, who stuffs it. So Isaiah Thomas on a good coming down the other way. Isaiah dumps it off to Bird, left untouched and feeds inside to Thomas. He saw Kareem coming in with his arms. So first quarter, Gilmore gets the feed in. They collapse around him and a whistle basket. Counts and a foul. He was and the East takes the lead again by 2. Inside, Bernard King. He has over Sigma. And here comes a break. The East is back from laying it up. The basket good and a foul. Magic Johnson for the West. 2 minutes remaining now in the first quarter. Tiny Archibald. What a play by Tiny.
You get to talk to him, Dick?
Yes, once a month.
You talk like you know him.
Earving gets the shot inside. English. He's got Earving with him. Good defensive play by Julius Earving. They try to get the outlet pass, and they do to the dog, and there he goes. The East down by 5. This is an Eastern crowd. Tiny recovers, shuffles it off to Parish.
Super
Archibald to Julius. Having trouble getting on the board. Tiny shuffles it to Parish. Goes in. Tiny. Parish. Foul. Not complete his college years in Indiana. Rebound by Doc. Gets it out to Tripucka. Isaiah Thomas has Parish. And Tripucka filling the lane beautifully. Just picking the ball out of the air on that Gus Williams shot. And Williams is laughing as he comes up court. And at the other end, Kelly Tripucka. Bounce pass low to Parish, but he made a good play on a low pass. We got a way to go. 8:24 to go. That didn't hurt his chances either.
That was a good pass.
5-97 lead. And Sigma comes in, rejected by Parish to Tiny Archibald.
No, I couldn't give it away today. A man my age got never even think about that.
Kareem gets on the board. All right. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, 1 for 10. Gets the points. And now the West comes back. Gusica. Larry Bird. Good screen by Tripucka. Bird hits the jump shot. Shows he has 3 of his Celtics in there. Buck Williams shot rejected by Kareem. Gus Williams 2-on-1. Sigma the trailer. Bird. Larry Bird, 50. Moncrief for the Bucks. Michael Ray Richardson got through and a pass to Parish.
Super play.